on the very next day, I got the design, and I was so happy to see that, there are people who are genuinely trying to help other people.
When you tell others that you are a writer, so what is the feeling when you tell, definitely you are an artist, a teacher, but when you say the writer. Hello
Yeah.
everyone, welcome back to SGSH publication. Today we are having Nisa Dusheja ma'am with us, and she is the author of Ashes of Us and Blooms of Me. So ma'am, first of all I want to ask, how are you?
I'm really good. How are you, ma'am?
I am also fine, thank you. So, ma'am, your title is very amazing and, of course, unique. So, first, I want to tell what is your title describe. Can you please describe your title, like what it mean to you?
It's actually like when someone breaks your heart, so it feels like you're completely dead from inside. So that is indicating ash. But when you move on and start your life again, that is how you bloom. So it's ashes of us and blooms of me.
Very, very nice and interact title. Even when I saw your cover, when the designer designed the cover, I said, wow, it looks really amazing. And in first draft only you have finalized the cover. So how quick, मतलब इतने फटाफट जल्दी आपने कैसे select कर लिया कि this will be my book cover? Because we have seen that many author takes a lot of time. They ask a lot of changes. This should be like this and that. So you have chose very rightly and on time. So what was the thought of selecting that cover?
The cover, actually, the black is something indicating the death, but in modern era, black is something supporting all the writers, right? So black is the new orange, we say like that. And the title, amazingly, like as the SGSS publication has given exactly what I was looking for. So in a first time, they gave me what I was looking for. So of course, I finalized it in a first go.
I think we should thank our designer. Her name is Jyoti Singh. She designed very well. In fact, I really love the cover. Mostly, even I personally don't like the cover after seeing the book names. But yeah, your book title and your cover both are very matching. So, ma'am, I have seen all your social media. While taking the interview, I always research about authors. So, in your social media, you have mentioned about you have three, I think three accounts, right? Like one is
Yes, yes.
for personal account, second is for poetry, and tattoo, nail art. So, what are you doing? Like, what is your professional and passion in this writing, and professionally what you do?
Professionally, I'm a teacher. I teach to junior college students, and then also I'm a tattoo artist and a nail artist. And writing is my passion. I write since my childhood, so
Wow.
that's
So,
what I
when
do.
you get started writing for the first time?
I wrote for when I was in third standard. I wrote a poem for my mother, and from there the journey of the writing started.
Wow. Okay. So I read some of your pages. Your journey from heartbroken to solitude. So how you means what inspired you to write this book? And mostly we people don't like to contribute our sadness. Everyone just want to be happy, and everyone want to write happy things and all. But have you came you have to publish this kind of book, because it is not easy to explore in front of people, right? So how you get the
Yes.
confidence to publish this title?
It's actually, the book is collection of all the poems that I have written till today, and most of the poems are very unique in that poem. When people will read, they will get to know it about it. But the thing is, it's not propagating only sadness; it is also showing that how you can overcome that sadness. Okay, so yeah, we do
True.
feel bad, we do feel sad, but really we see people coming and talking about it. So I really wanted that they should feel there is someone feeling the same way like you do, and still you can come out of that. So that is what I have done.
Very well said, because even I feel the same that mostly we spread the goodness. Even I motto is spread goodness, spread happiness. Means I have seen that mostly people want to see others happy, but I want to tell that please share your problems also, because जितना हम लोगों के प्रॉब्लम से सीखते हैं उनकी उतनी खुशियों से नहीं सीखते, बिकॉज वी हैव रिसर्च अबाउट दी हाउ पीपल ग्रो एंड कितना वो आगे कैसे बढ़े, तो वो प्रॉब्लम्स ही उनको बताते हैं और लोग वही प्रॉब्लम्स को छुपाना चाहते हैं। सबको आगे जाके एकदम ब्राइट स्माइलिंग फेस, हम सोशल मीडिया में भी अगर इफ देखते हैं तो वहां भी हमें सारा ऊपर नीचे मतलब सारा सब हैप्पी फेसेस ही देखने मिलते हैं, एज अपार्ट फ्रॉम दी ये पॉलिटिकल एंड ऑल थिंग्स। तो वही
Exactly,
मैं चाहती
exactly.
हूँ कि हम लोगों के इमोशंस को पब्लिश करें और उनको एक ऐसा माध्यम दे कि सच में वो अपने इमोशंस को जता पाए।
जी, मैं समझ रही हूँ and it's really good that spread goodness, spread happiness is something that telling people कि we are always here for you. You just come with your draft. We will help you a lot because there I really had a word with someone in your team and I told them कि already there were many poems I wanted to publish earlier also the book, and I somehow got into the contact, but they really cheated on me. Like there was that was not a proper publishing site. So when in at the initial stage when I had a conversation with this person, that the lady I was with
साक्षी,
continuously, yeah,
साक्षी।
Sakshi. Okay, Sakshi ma'am. So she was like, ma'am, we are there to support you, and I really felt, for it. And the moment she asked me how you want the cover, so I just told her that is how I'm planning to get it designed. And immediately on the very next day, I got the design, and I was so happy to see that. There are people who are genuinely trying to help other people, and like yours, SGSH publication. Oh my god, it is so good! So many exclusive
हाँ,
offers,
oh my God.
and I really felt happy कि finally अपने हम लोग जो new authors है who don't know how to publish or how to start, so I would really recommend all of them to come over here. Like these people are really waiting for you. Just you come with your draft and they help you. They do every single thing. You just need to go and tell them that we have written it. Now it's up to you. You bring it to the world, and they do it.
थैंक यू मैम। या आपने तो हमारा इंटरव्यू बना दिया। ओके, सो बहुत
Genuinely, I really felt happy to being with people who help other people. So yeah.
रियली लाइक द वे यू डिस्क्राइब योर फीलिंग्स, बिकॉज हमारे जब हम देखते हैं कि एक ही ऑथर 50+ बुक, एक ही ऑथर 50 बुक्स लिख के हमसे ही पब्लिश करवाते हैं, वो बात देखते भी नहीं है। वो हम ऐसा बोलते हैं आप एक बार ट्राई तो करिए दूसरी जगह, सम पीपल वांट टू नीड सम ट्रायल कि हाँ दूसरी जगह भी देखते हैं कि क्या होता है, बट दे सेड नहीं, वी डोंट वांट टू गो एनीवेयर। हमें आपके
Yes,
पास अगर
I'm
कहीं पर
sure.
ऐसा होता है।
Now, even I'm sure whenever I write other books, I'll come to you guys only, so you only publish it. I'm not going anywhere else now.
That's really nice, because कई बार ऐसा होता है कि वी आर वर्किंग, सो व्हेन यू वर्क विद समवन, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि डिसएग्रीमेंट होता है, लाइक यू डोंट लाइक, समटाइम आई लाइक दिस कवर एंड ऑथर सेज दिस कवर, बट एज अ पब्लिशर इट्स माय रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू गिव देम बेस्ट। तो कई बार ऐसा लगता है कि ऑथर शुड लिसन, बट फिर आपके जैसे कस्टमर्स आते हैं जो सच में हमको ब्लेस कर देते हैं। सो रियली नाइस टू हियर
Yes,
दैट।
too, I can say.
हाँ, तो मैम फिर से थोड़ा आते हैं कि
जी।
मतलब आपने जो राइटिंग की शुरुआत की थी तब आपको पता था कि आप एक दिन बुक पब्लिश करेंगे, एंड आई थिंक यू हैव पब्लिश वन बुक आल्सो राइट बिफोर दिस पब्लिशिंग।
No, no, I haven't published any book. This is my debut book. Of course, I haven't done. I really wanted to, but
ओके,
वो हुआ नहीं था. ऐसा scene था. So
अच्छा, ओके,
yes,
ओके।
I haven't published. But yeah, when I started writing, I never thought I will ever do this. But last 2 3 years, से I was continuously कि no, I want to publish a book. So I was searching for an good authors and who can collaborate in the book. But then I realized कि no, if I have to do it, I have to do it alone. So I did it, and finally, it's happening.
True, true,
Yeah.
very true. And ma'am, when you tell others that you are a writer, so what is the feeling when you tell, definitely you are an artist, a teacher, but when you say the writer, what that word impacts your life, how it impacts?
Genuinely, there are people like as we say, every coin has a two sides. So there are people who really feel, oh, you're such a good, you're a writer. That's such a good, that's such a great. But then I also encounter people who are like, okay, you're a writer. So what do you write? Kind of thing they ask me. But when it comes to me, so I
Okay.
really feel proud being a writer because writers are the people who can tell the emotions and then nobody can else do it like the way the writer express the emotion nobody else could ever do that so yes.
वाह एंड यू नो कई बार ऐसा होता है दैट while publishing we also think about monetary benefits because while publishing we have to pay to the publisher and that's the mandatory कि हमें तो पे करना ही है तो have you thought about कि बुक सेल होगी नहीं सेल होगी मतलब कोई राइटर ऐसा होता है कि जो सिर्फ लिखने के लिए अपने फीलिंग्स को रखने के लिए बिकॉज इवन आफ्टर आवर डेथ आवर बुक्स विल बी देयर सो कई लोग उसलिए लिखते हैं और कोई लोग मतलब बेस्ट सेलर बनाना है रॉयल्टी चाहिए इनकम चाहिए और अगर वो नहीं मिलता है तो दे फील डीमोटिवेटेड कि मेरी बुक सेल नहीं हो रही है ये नहीं हो रही सो व्हाट वाज योर थॉट बिहाइंड द पब्लिशिंग आफ्टर पब्लिशिंग हैव यू थॉट एनीथिंग अबाउट दैट
Currently, I'm really not thinking about it on a monetary terms. I'm just happy that finally my dream is something getting onto the reality. It was my dream to publish a book so that people should read it, people should understand it. I'm not saying people should buy it, just read it so that you can know that there is a person like this who is writing about the emotions. So this is what I wanted to do it. So when it comes to monetary terms, no, not that much.
Definitely. Even I am also a writer, so I want to always promote the writer. Like it is not always about publishing. मैं तो I am a publisher. Then also I tell कि you don't need to publish a book if you don't have money. Definitely you don't need to publish. Today the social media is very powerful. Even I saw that you
Okay.
are writing a poets and poetries on Instagram and maybe you have other pages also. So we'll
Yes.
definitely mention in the description. So that's what I want to say that writing is not just about publishing. Writing is all about emotions, how you express your emotion. So,
Writing is all
do you
about
write?
people getting connected to the words that we are presenting.
Definitely, yeah. It's all about connection, stories. Nowadays people are just jumping to AI. So have you thought about कि AI के आने से हमारे emotions कम हो जाएंगे?
Really, I don't feel so because AI is, again, we can say it's a technology, it's a machine. What humans feel is not the machine is going to feel. So, our emotions are going to stay with us, and those emotions are going to get the new words. That is why we are a writer. So, maybe I don't fear technology that much. They can help us, yeah, they can help us to publish, to promote. They can do it, but they cannot take away this kind of talent from us.
True. From your book, I thought that you are a little emotional person. Even I'm very emotional. Like, कोई भी बात अगर ऐसी आ जाता है, I feel angry, I feel very happy, और I will cry. मैं रोने भी लगती हूँ. तो मतलब आपके emotions क्या कभी आप पे भारी पड़ते? कई बार हमने ऐसा सुना है कि emotional लोगों को बहुत struggle करना पड़ता है.
स्ट्रगल
Even I
करना पड़ता
myself
है.
struggle a lot because हम इमोशनल लोग सोचते नहीं है कि सामने वाला क्या सोचेगा क्या प्रोफेशनलिज्म होता है वो सब वर्ड समझ में ही नहीं आता है हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाते सो व्हाट योर थॉट इन इट कि क्या
I
इमोशन से होता
completely agree with you. Emotions are something that, when we say either there will be a boundary, either there will be emotion. And when it comes to us, we stay on emotions. We never understand the boundaries. So we keep on giving and giving and giving, and whatever it is, we give our more than 100% to the people. And eventually, people who are practical, they never understand that.
true true But what I think that everyone in this world are the emotions. They have emotion, but they don't want to convey their emotion. मुझे ऐसा लगता है हर किसी में इमोशन है, बस वो दिखाना नहीं चाहते. बट वो दिख ही जाता है, लाइक कोई एंगर के रूप में दिखाता है, कोई प्रोफेशनलिज्म के उसको टच करके वो करता है. बट जो इंसान का इमोशन होता है ना, वो तो कभी चलता जाता ही नहीं है. बट
ज्यादा
सिर्फ
ही
लोग
नहीं.
बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते हैं. वो अंदर रोते हैं, हम बाहर से रोते हैं, हंसते हैं. तो आई थिंक वही जॉयफुल रहना चाहिए लाइफ में, फिर जो होगा.
Yes.
और बिकॉज व्हेन वी आर इमोशनल, मतलब कई लोग बोलते हैं कि आप जब इमोशनल होते हैं तो आप बहुत लूज कर जाते हैं. बट आई डोंट थिंक सो. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वी गेन स्ट्रेंथ, वी गेन द इनर पावर, बिकॉज हमारे अंदर वो स्ट्रेंथ है, वो सच बोलने की, हमारी इमोशन को सच में बाहर निकालने की. ऐसा नहीं कि हम कोई फेक मास्क पहन के कुछ भी जो नहीं है वो दिखाते हैं.
दिखा रहे हो. जी जी, आई एग्री. पीपल चूज टू बी प्रैक्टिकल एंड they think that practicality will give them a power, but really try being
True.
emotional for once, you'll get more power, is what I feel.
That's very true. Even in my publication, many people think that you are very emotional. The decision you made for writers and authors, that may be very disappointing after some time. But I think people are publishing 50 books, so obviously they are not mad, right? Some of our doctor and some teachers like you. So if they are liking our emotions, then why we don't show the
So,
emotions?
exactly. Emotions are something that connects people.
नेक्स्ट पीपल एंड हमारे ह्यूमन होने का वही तो एडवांटेज है कि हम अपने इमोशंस को दिखा सकते हैं.
दिखा
एआई तो
सकते
नहीं
हैं.
दिखा सकता है ना
दिखा
कि भी
सकता
यार.
है.
वही मतलब वही अभी ये जो हमने देखा ना, मुझे लगता है कि आगे जाके सब ये इमोशन वर्ड को जितना पहले क्रिटिसाइज करते थे उतना अभी नहीं करेंगे. बिकॉज अभी एआई आ गया है, तो उसके साथ कोई भी बात करेगा वो इमोशनल टच नहीं देगा जो एक इंसान की साइड से मिलेगा. सो
The
आई थिंक
human
अब
is
हमारे
yes, the human is different and the machine is different, is what we can say.
अगर आप किसी को आज पूछेंगे ना कि मतलब एआई से इंसान को क्या डिफरेंस बनाता है, हर कोई एक ही शब्द बोलेगा, वो है इमोशन. जैसे कि
Motion.
आपने भी अभी बोला कि इमोशन. तो आई थिंक इमोशन वॉन्ट go anywhere. Even I think it is time to publish more books and more emotions and emotional stories. Okay, so let's my second last question would be like, how was your experience with SGS's publication? And if you have any suggestion that we could improve our services, so please tell.
Genuinely, there is no thing about the improvement I can say, because whatever, I really feel happy that there was a connection between me and the publisher. Because the moment I felt like कि अरे मुझे ये डाउट है, अरे मुझे ये चीज अभी तक समझ जानी है, ये इन्होंने बोल तो दिया बट ये अभी तक हुआ नहीं है. So the moment I used to text them, and I do remember there was some I dropped a text at night, maybe 12:30 or something like that, and within 10-15 minutes I saw oh, the message, and I was like, okay, they do answer. It's not if we will answer you at the proper working hours. Anytime the doubt was there, they do used to come up and solve my issues with that. And as I said, the cover design का जो thing था with the Sakshi madam, I just had a word कि मैम ऐसा ऐसा मैंने सोचा है मुझे चाहिए, and she's like okay. And within the next day I got the same cover, and I was like, this is what I was looking for. यही था मेरे माइंड में, यही पिक्चर था, एंड यू गिव इट टू मी, सो आई वाज सो हैप्पी. So when it comes to the experience, experience was more than amazing. Very very amazing. As it's my debut in a publishing, it's my debut as a writer, as an author. So I really feel that your cooperation, your dedication was something more towards this, which I felt कि मतलब हमेशा ऐसा बस बोला and आ गया. And when it comes to monetary funds, I would really like to tell that भाई, नो दे आर नॉट, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो लोग चार्ज कर रहे हैं लेकिन सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड नहीं कर रहे. दे आर गिविंग इट मोर द सर्विसेज. जितना चार्ज किया जा रहा है उससे ज्यादा तुमको सर्विस दे रहे हैं वो, लाइक जेन्युइनली. एंड आई वाज आल्सो वरीड कि अब मैं पूरा पेमेंट कर दूं और कल से ये लोग बात ना करे तो मुझे वो चीज का टेंशन कभी हुआ ही नहीं, बिकॉज इट वाज लाइक मैडम यू पे हाफ पहले हाफ बाद में. आई फेल्ट सो हैप्पी लिसनिंग टू दैट. आई मीन लाइक, first thing, yeah, are already providing a cake full of cherries, then again you're giving a top of the cherries. So who would not love it? So yeah, it's just
Definitely.
amazing.
थैंक यू मैम, इट रियली मीन्स अ लॉट जो भी आपने बताया, बिकॉज हम भी राइटर है, हमने भी पब्लिश किए, तो हमारे लिए हमारे राइटर से ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है। अगर हमें कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता है तो हम बोलते हैं। और मुझे तो ये सोच के अच्छा लग रहा है कि जब आपके पास ऑथर्स कॉपी आएगी तब आप कितना खुश होंगे।
Oh,
आई
that
एम
will be amazing.
जस्ट ओके मैम,
Even
सो
I'm
वन
excited.
Yeah, even more than author, I am also excited. Like cover कब launch होगा, book कब publish होगे. I am excited more. I always ask साक्षी कि इनका cover कब launch होगा, इनकी book कब launch होगी. I am very excited to know. Okay मैम, so जो हमारे audience देख रही है, देखेंगे इंटरव्यू, तो उनको आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे कि अगर उनकी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम है तो पहले तो उसको लिखना चाहिए, और अगर कोई अगर राइटर भी नहीं है तो कैसे वो अपने इमोशंस, अपने पेन्स को शेयर कर सके, जिससे उनको थोड़ा रिलीफ मिले, बिकॉज राइटिंग इज ऑल अबाउट रिलीफ, यू नो।
Yeah, I
सो व्हाट
understand that.
मैसेज वुड यू लाइक
First
टू
thing
गिव
is
देम?
writing. People have this misconception that writing is an art. Trust me, writing is not an art. Writing is whatever you feel. You can just write it down on a paper, and you can, just let your thoughts flow. The way we say the stream of consciousness while in novels रहते हैं वैसे ही just let them flow. Let the take a pen, start writing, and slowly and gradually you develop it. And trust me, if you're looking for the publishers, they are the best publishers you can ever meet, ever talk. And yeah, they ever do. Like my experience with SGSS publication is something I'll never forget in my life. It's very wonderful, it's very amazing. And I decided whenever I'm writing my second book, I'm coming to you, so you just have to publish it, all the books that I'm going to write, not just second. And I really want people to understand that you don't have to be scared that what other four people are going to tell you after they read what you have written. Don't care about
True.
them, just whatever you have written, and if you feel like publishing, just do it. Just do it today. You will stay here and listen to that four people, but your stories, your papers, your write-ups stay for a lifetime, so other people will come and love it. Definitely people will love it, so just do it. That's what I can say.
डेफिनेटली मैम, यू नो आपका जो भी मैसेज था अच्छा, बहुत अच्छे से आपने एक्सप्लेन किया है कि डोंट थिंक अबाउट अदर्स। लाइक कई बार भी मैं एज अ राइटर पब्लिशर, इतना मुझे 4 इयर्स हो गए पब्लिशर में, तो मैं भी कई बार सोचती हूँ मेरी बुक अनपब्लिश कर दूँ, मैं जो मतलब कॉर्ड्स लिखती हूँ उसको डिलीट कर दूँ। इवन आई मैंने कई बार किया है, मतलब मेरे चैनल पे बहुत अच्छे खासे सब्सक्राइबर सब थे, फिर भी मैंने डिलीट कर दिया, बिकॉज वी राइटर फील डीमोटिवेटेड कि मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे मेरे राइटर्स की बुक को आगे लाना है, तो मैं खुद कैसे लिखूं। देन आई सो दैट पब्लिशिंग इज माय प्रोफेशनल, बट आई हैव टू बी इमोशनली कनेक्ट थ्रू माय राइटिंग, क्योंकि जब आप जो काम करते हैं ना, तब वो आप दूसरों के लिए बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हैं। सो दैट मतलब एज अ पब्लिशर मुझे भी ऐसे फीलिंग्स आती है, तो ऑडियंस को तो आती ही होगी। आपको ऐसा
जी जी
लगता है
जी।
कि कभी आपको राइटिंग से गिव अप करना चाहिए?
Never. I don't
Have
feel,
you?
because writing is something that keeps me back in my life, that keep coming me back in my life. If I give up on writing, it's like I'm just a dead body who is living a life. So no, I can't do that.
Or when you feel emotional at that time you write?
I write on every emotion, not just sadness, but on happiness also, on sadness, on um, other emotions also. Like now, recently I wrote a poem because abhi Sawan ka mahina chal raha hai. So I also wrote a poem on Sawan. So
Yeah.
as a writer, I feel
Super.
I should write about as many things as I can. So I do it.
Very, very well. Okay, ma'am. So it was really nice talking to you. थोड़ा बीच में I forgot the book name really, because time issue आप बोल रहे थे ये time फिर I just forgot the name. Okay, so
That's okay.
that's no issue, because we are very emotional. हम जैसे हैं वैसे ही दिखाते हैं. We don't need to show off कि okay we know everything. We don't know many things yet. But yeah, it was really nice talking to you. और जितना आपने हमें praise किया, हमारी तारीफ की, that I don't think so we deserve or not, because we just did our work, but you really liked it and it really means a lot. So spread goodness. Thank you very much, and keep
Thank you
spreading
so
goodness
much.
and happiness and keep
Thank you.
writing.
Thank you so much. But yeah, and you really deserve all the things that I said. And really, once again, thank you so much for being so helpful to me. Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye
ma'am.
bye.
Bye bye.